Hi, folks. Welcome to how to schedule your senior formal yearbook photo with Katie Studios. So go ahead on over to katie.com, and then at the top of the bar, you'll see a purple area here that says bookings now open for the senior class of 2024. Click on book now. And when you click on book now, it will take you to the area where you're going to book your senior photo. So we're going to click schedule now at the bottom of the screen, type in Dawson County High School, and it should pop up, and click OK, let's go. On this page here, it'll say every session should include your yearbook photo, which is your senior formal yearbook photo, and then a cap and gown photo. So just quickly, you will be able to see your yearbook photo, and you can pick the pose that you like, but you will not be able to see the cap and gown photo until February. For whatever reason, they decide to do that. So don't get concerned, other than the fact that Katie will make those available to you in come February. On this page here, if you choose to go to the Johns Creek studio, you can pick some additional scenes that are not going to be available at the road shoot on August 2nd, where Katie comes to the high school. So I think for this video and for the purposes of this video, we're going to click continue to sessions and focus on what we're going to do at the high school. So scroll on down here. You can see a little bit more about that, but at your school, we need to select these two background photos for the casual shots, and then click continue to session. They do have several elite portrait sessions. Again, those are in the studio, not at the high school, and they are considerably more expensive. So just keep scrolling down to the bottom of the page where you get to traditional session fees, where they offer different packages. The least expensive package is going to be just for the yearbook photo, and includes also 5 to 10 images in one what they call studio scene. The session fee, regardless of whichever package that you pick, will always be $29. So I'm going to focus on this and click select. And again, final prints and digital images are not included in the session fee. That's just to make sure that the school gets the yearbook photo, the digital yearbook pose. So if you want any more than that, you might want to consider some of these other packages that they have available. Click continue to finalize. And then, of course, they continue to upsell and add other things to it. If you choose to want to do that, then go right ahead. But I'm going to click $29 to continue. And we're going to finalize our simple photo session here and continue down to the options, again, down to if you wanted to add any other locations. That just continues to add more price and cost. So that's entirely up to you. Click continue to options. Not going to add an outdoor scene, so I'm going to make sure that says no thank you. If you do want to do any retouching, some people choose to do this because maybe they have some facial blemishes or some braces and things like that. It's pretty basic. They do really kind of smooth your skin out, but some people don't need that, nor do they care. So click no thank you. So this is like highlighted in purple. Continue to schedule. That will take you to this next screen. And notice here under location, it says studio or school. Let's make sure we click school, and that will take us to the default of Dawson County High School. And also it will say the last day to be photographed entirely is on November the 15th, which includes you going to the studio after our road shoot days. The road shoot day that we have first scheduled is August the 2nd. There will be a second road shoot day that will be announced, but we want to make sure that everybody, as many people as possible, can get this done on the day of open house. So Wednesday, August 2nd, select a time. I think open house is in the afternoon, so I'm going to feel comfortable with picking at 3 o'clock, and then it'll be for a 30-minute session. Now, understand that we have 4 different cameras that will be taking pictures of seniors. They will bring the tux and the drape for you to use for your pictures. But if you want to wear any special clothing for like your casual pictures, then make sure that you bring that with you. They will also have a not tuxedo, but a cap and a gown for you to wear with your cap and gown photo. So click continue to check out. And then they will give you some other options here if you want to add some digital downloads and a portfolio. And we'll let you know that they do send you a portfolio, but it is your responsibility to make sure that you send it back to them. They include the shipping as part of the cost, so make sure that you get that back to them. Otherwise, they will charge you additional. So you don't even have to click buy later, just continue to the summary. And then if you want any black and white proofs, you can add that again. It's more upselling. So I'm going to click no thank you. And that keeps my cost at $29. So again, final prints and digital images are not included in the order. This just guarantees that you get your yearbook photo into the yearbook, the formal photo. Then it's on to you to go ahead and create an account and make sure that you give them an email that you do check, and a telephone number where they can reach you or you can reach them. Click create your account, and then it'll take you to where you can pay for your your entire sitting session. Okay, thank you very much. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. This is Mrs. Amendola, and I'm at pamela.amendola@dawson.k12.ga.us. All right, thank you.